What's up guys, it's me Janelle. So today I'm going to be doing my 3 newest squishies that I got from Souq. So if you guys watched my previous video, I got these 3 brand new squishies. If you watched it, I'm not going to show it today because if you only watched my squishy opening video from Souq, you will know what type of squishies I got. But if you haven't watched it, after you watch this, watch my squishy opening video. So let's just get started. So guys, oh my gosh, it's not focusing. So the first squishy that I got is, I'm going to be putting it in the package. I'm going to be putting all of them in the packaging, so just hold on guys. So all of them are in the packet, or in packaging. Oh my gosh. So the first one is this popcorn. It's very slow rising and it's mini, small. It's gonna focus. There we go. Smaller than my head. Oopsies. So here it is. Oh my gosh. And here's the bottom. And it's a keychain squishy, and there's like hole. What's it called? Right over there. Yep, now let's move on to the next squishy. Is this watermelon? Soft, and this very textured at the bottom and right at the top. I like the thin part, and it's sticky, and it really has cool designs like the real watermelon, and it has a cute kawaii face. It has like cheeks, so yup. And yeah, it is just like, as you can see guys, as you can see the cheeks, it's amazing. Now let's move on to the next squishy. Where's the packaging of that? Pineapple. As you can see, there's like, this area is very soft and textured, and see, this area is very textured because it feels like a real watermelon with the shades. So this is a keychain squishy, so I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.